Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video it's gonna be very different because I'm kind of like vlogging, if that's how you say it. I'm not a vlogger. I can't do it. My hands are hurting me from holding the camera. It is. Let me switch hands. Whew, I can't do it. But anyways, today's video I'm gonna show you guys how I decorate my home for Christmas. Last year I moved into my home in New Jersey and I really didn't decorate much because it's like, I just didn't decorate pretty much. I did, but I didn't do as much as what I did this year. So I'm gonna show you guys all of my decoration, and also I'm gonna tell you guys where I got the stuff from and all of that stuff. So if you're not already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and click that red subscribe button down below. Turn on the bell, and yeah, do you like my makeup? I recorded it, so make sure you tune in on Monday so you can see how I get this nice makeup look. All right, so let's go. Okay guys, so when you come into my front door, you open it up and you have this nice table. I don't know what you call it, but it's a nice table. And I just put some kind of like fake something. I don't know what you call it. My mind is like crazy right now, but I got this right here from Walmart. 95% of the stuff that I'm going to show you is from Walmart. I got it when it was on sale. I got it after Christmas when it was like 50 and 75% off. Yeah, that's how I got a lot of stuff. So this is like a fake cloud stuff, and then I had so many ornaments, so many, because as I said, I got it on 50% to 75% off. So pretty much I got so many ornaments and I just put them all over like so. And then this stuff right here, I got this before I bought my home. I think I bought this at Home Goods. Yes, I bought this at Home Goods like 5 years ago. And then this candle I custom made. If you guys don't know, I do make handmade scented candles. So these candles here, even this one, I made it, and this one, and then this here I got it from Walmart when it was, as I said, 50% off. It's so pretty. It have those, I don't know what you call this thing here, but it was so pretty and it was so inexpensive. So yeah, this is the first port when you walk in. And I got this little hook thing that I put in my tree last year, and I just decided to put it right here. Ooh. And now, it fell out. Okay, and then here I am. And then these both, I got it from Walmart. I think I paid like $3 for this. I bought 2 of them. So yeah guys, this is the first port. And then over here, when you come in, you have this nice Christmas tree that I bought from Walmart. I paid I think it was $120 something that I bought last year. And I was so mad because on the box, it was very fluffy, very fluffy and more open. And then when I take it out, this is it. So I was like, you know what, whatever. I'm gonna put it here next year, and then I'm gonna buy another tree. So yes, I do have 2 Christmas tree, which I'm gonna show you in a second. Also, these curtain, Walmart. All the decoration, Walmart. The tree, Walmart. The little thing up top, Walmart. And it was just so nice. I decided to, like, you know what, let me put this tree right here because I have the space, and why not? So I decided to go with something very like white and gold and silver, all of that stuff. So I went with these here, so pretty. I love this. Also, this one here, Walmart. Everything Walmart, okay? Not sponsored, by the way. And then over here on the stairs, me and my daughter, well, my daughter came up with this. She was like, hey, why you don't put some stuff on the staircase? I was like, all right, cool idea. So right now, we both put it up. So it's like, what do you call these stuff? Oh gosh, my brain. garland, something like that. I'll put it up on the screen. But I wrapped it all the way up. By the way, this is also my candle that I custom made, and I just wrapped some stuff around it. Yeah, and I just put some ornament and some candy on it, and then the fake one that I showed you, I just put it in between so it kind of looked like cloud and stuff. No, little clever thing. So I bring it all the way up to the stairs, and it's also on the other side. Now over here, right next to the Christmas tree, I have this nice floating top, and I just decided to put more of the fake cloud. I did not make this candle, I bought it. So these two red candles here is not made from me, not at all. I don't remember where I bought it from though. These here, Walmart, got it on sale. And then I saw this nice Joy set, Walmart. I love it so much. So it just said Joy, and then I just rest it right on top. This here too is from Walmart, and this nice, this is so pretty. I was like, I had to get this, and it was inexpensive. So yeah, I just decided to put just some ornament and little tiny stuff. So next around me is my table. Very, you know, clean and nice, not too crowded. So the tablecloth, I got it from Amazon. I decided to go with a red tablecloth. And then this mat, I bought it in Brooklyn. It was like a home place that sell a lot of home stuff for your home pretty much. I don't remember the name of the place. I picked it up. It was like $2 for one. So I picked up a couple of them. The plates right here, do you hear it? It's real plates. Dollar Tree, no joke. I got this from Dollar Tree. But this one is not from Dollar Tree. I don't remember where I got it from, but we had it a long time when I was living in an apartment in Brooklyn. Still look good. But this right here, Dollar Tree, and then this right here is from Dollar Tree. So it is so pretty, and I was like, whoa, $1? I'm getting a whole bunch of them. So I think I got like a dozen. No lie. But yeah, I love it. And then over here now, the same place that I told you that I got the mat from, I bought it here. This one is like $20. Yeah, and I bought two of them. So you have this nice glass see-through thing, and then the same thing that I have the cloud, I put it underneath, and then I put some ornament inside. And then these flowers here I got from Amazon. Very nice. I wanted to go with like a nice red and white theme, so I got these from Amazon. And then this here, I got it like 2 years ago from Michael's. I think I bought it from Michael's, so I just stick it inside. But yeah, it's so pretty. And then this candle set, well, not a candle set, but the candle comes separate. I bought this, I think I bought it from Home Goods, and I also bought this from Home Goods like 5 years ago. So I decided to put it here. This also, the glass thing, I bought from Home Goods 5 years ago, still looking good. And the flowers from not Walmart, Amazon. Same thing as this one. Then I put just little, you know, nice ornament in it. So this is the other one here, and yeah, this is my table. Classy, nice and simple. Now over here behind the table is my window. I don't know what you call this again. I think it's bay window, but as I said, I put the clouds here, and then I put little stuff that I got from Walmart. Everything here is Walmart. The whole entire thing here is Walmart. I bought these when they were like 50% off. And then I got the pepper light, Walmart. And then I bring the ornament over to here. So all the way down, I have decoration. And then the window, all of these four, I got from Walmart, 50% off. Well, I think I bought these when they were like 75% off. I bought it after Christmas, so that's a good time to shop for Christmas stuff for next year, which I'm gonna go ahead and buy some more when it's like 75% off. Best believe. So yeah, it's so pretty. I love it. It's like so different. And I just hang them up. And pretty much that's my bay window. Okay guys, so coming up the step and over, as I showed you guys that I have those on the step. Then when you come in the living room, just simple. I didn't really go all out on my couch in the living room. I just have these already cushioned and I just leave it here. I think I bought this from Home Goods 5 years ago. And this green one. And then on the table, it's just really simple. I bought that from Walmart also. This candle made by me. And then these balls I got from Walmart. So I have two of them. The candle, I didn't make this, but so pretty and nice. I really didn't go all out in my living room, but hey, it's next year and I'm gonna go shopping after Christmas. So when it comes, you have my nice big TV and the fireplace. Let me show you the next Christmas tree that I have. I bought this from Walmart. It's 7.5 inches and I paid $130 something for it. It's really pretty. I love it so much. It was green. It was completely green. And then I bought, you know, the snow spray thing that you spray on the tree. And I just sprayed on it just to get that little, you know, snowy thing going on. But it was completely green, and I don't really like green trees, like green Christmas tree. I need some, you know, white and stuff on it, but I wanted to keep this very simple also. And then what else? Yeah, it's just a really simple decoration. I didn't want to go all out, but I'm gonna go all out next year. But yeah, pretty much, you know, I just put some pop of colors in it, and then I put some candy on the tree, which my daughter was eating. And then over here, I just put, me and my daughter put, you know, the names of us right here. My daughter's name, my mom, and me. So we just get some rhinestone and then we get a glue gun and just paste it on. And then right here we have the little, you know, I don't know what the hell you call this again, but you guys know what I'm talking about. And I just tuck it right underneath the TV. Fireplace. The fireplace is not real, but it gives off a heat. I don't know how they do it, but it gives us a heat. I just have to press a button and it comes up. So yeah. And then over here, I have more decoration from Walmart. Very pretty, very nice. And yeah, it's about it. I don't really do crazy things for the Christmas this year, but next year, you better make sure that you're subscribed so you can see all of what's gonna come up for next year. Okay guys, so this is it of the little mini tour of my home. As I said, I moved in last year, so I really didn't you know, do any much decoration. But next year, when Walmart is on sale after Christmas, I'm gonna go and get more stuff. But you know, I think I did good. I think I did good, right? Okay guys, I hope you like. Don't forget to tune in and watch more of me, and make sure you subscribe and leave me a comment. Turn on your notification bell, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.